Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix password, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Netflix and sign in. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Settings. Under Account, tap Account Details. Then, at the right, tap Change Password. On this page, enter your current password and create a new password. Also, re-enter your new password to confirm. Check the box if you want to be logged out of all your devices and tap Save. And that's how you change Netflix password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.